How to order Domino's pizza with coupon code. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you learn how to order Domino's pizza using a coupon code in just a few easy steps. Whether you're craving a pizza night or looking to save your money on a favorite meal, this guide is perfect for you. Step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Open the Domino's website or app. Start by opening the Domino's website or mobile app. Make sure you're using an official platform for your country. Step 2. Choose delivery or carry-out. Now, choose if you want delivery or carry-out. Then enter your location or delivery address. Step 3. Log in or continue as a guest. If you have an account, log in. Otherwise, you can continue as a guest. No problem. Step 4. Browse the menu and add your items. Take your time to browse the menu and add your favorite pizza, sides, or drinks to the cart. Step 5. Go to the coupons or deals section. If you want to see current offers, go to the coupons or deals section. Sometimes deals are already available there. Step 6. Enter your coupon code. Ready to save? On the cart or checkout page, find the field that says enter coupon code or promo code. Type your code, for example, 384 and click apply. Step 7. Check the discount and place your order. Make sure the discount appears on your total. Then, choose your payment method. Review the details and place your order. And that's it. That was a step-by-step tutorial on how to order Domino's pizza using a coupon code. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.